So the clutch is nice and soft now.
Brilliant.
That's some soaked because the roof's naked. It goes better as well now.
Yeah, I bet it does. Well, that's very smooth. It's a perfect day for the convertible.
Yeah. It's nice and cool, right?
Yeah.
Runs a lot better that car.
Oh mate, unbelievably better. When I took it down the road, it was all over the place with that car.
Brakes well.
Brakes are lovely.
Oh, the rain sounds weird on a convertible, isn't it?
It does. We're not used to it, definitely. Wind the window up, getting a bit soaked.
Did I stop working again?
Yeah, it's working, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It drives lovely. Working good.
And brakes seem alright.
Yeah.
A lot better than before anyway.
Starting lovely as well now.
Let's get down here. Well, you can feel this convertible when it goes over the button.
Yeah, it's so
scuttle shape.
So much flex in them, isn't there? I remember flipping out. That standard shocks.
Yeah.
Probably a bit tired.
Oh, I can't see it. He has got heat in front screen.
Has it? Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
See if it works. Hey, got some water.
Oh yeah.
So you can tell that the rack's knackered.
Oh mate,
No, you
yeah.
can't.
That's not.
Lovely.
This side's alright.
Oh, just my side then.
Yeah. Yeah. What a shame about that rack, isn't it?
Yeah. Still.
Oh, what the hell?
I can order it for next weekend, I suppose.
Yeah. It's a heaven.
Yeah, every now and then it wants to go that way. But
Yeah, yeah.
I've had track one ends on it as well, but the point was doing it until I've done.
Yeah. If it's this side bush, it'll be on this side that's got the plane, isn't it? That's alright though, doesn't it? It really does.
Yeah. And the screen works.